Welcome back, everyone. All right, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Tomorrow, the 14th annual Juneteenth KC Heritage Festival is taking over the historic 18th and Vine District with live music, food, family, fun, and of course, a whole lot of culture. Here with the lineup of full events happening tomorrow is Juneteenth KC Program Director Makita Peterson. And joining her is one of our Great Day KC faves, Chef Gigi with Gigi's Vegan Wellness Cafe. Welcome in.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here today.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
It smells great here. Before we get into the food,
Yeah.
tell us some about the activities that are going to be going on.
So we're going to be taking on the 18th and Vine Historic Jazz District tomorrow all day. We'll be having free activities for families to come out and enjoy. We're going to kick off with our Rise and Shine workout in the morning. So we'll have health segments and open to the public to come and attend. Afterwards, those attendees will get free brunch inside the Great Christ Community Center, which is our cooling center, where there's free bottled water, beverages, on-site service and resources. Miss Gigi will be there as well with smoothing, tastings, and sampling. And then throughout the day as well, we'll just be celebrating with a free youth zone, with free activities, face painters, balloon artists. We have our Gospel Jubilee that'll be from 1 to 2:30 p.m. with Toby and Tommy, some of Kenzie's great entertainers. And they were culminating the evening with Grammy Award-winning Joe Thomas. We're bringing the Zulu Connection Still Dancers and Go Big Better. Everyone's coming to Kansas City.
Yes.
Fights coming in, people coming in. The best talent too in Kansas City, street performers. I mean, we dug out everybody and really made it to where they're going to be highlighted tomorrow.
Yes.
And free family fun.
Yes. Okay, so you've already kind of told us some of what's going on, but I want you to talk about this more about why this event is important. It's important to celebrate Juneteenth, but it also builds community and you're sharing and learning and just having fellowship with one another.
There's a shared sense of pride and a community to come together to showcase our businesses, our cooks, our food, our culture, and really our entertainment. I mean, Kansas City has an immense cultural community. I mean, and then too, we're all family. I mean, just love to be able to support each other, celebrate each other. And this is that moment, and we make it accessible for everyone to enjoy.
Yes. Okay, you mentioned the food. We gotta see what Gigi's cooking up. What do we got going on, Gigi?
Of course, it's always about health with Gigi the Vegan, right? But this time it's also about health and culture.
Okay.
Because a lot of people, we make these beautiful dishes, but we don't know where they originated from.
Yes,
So
tell
it
us.
fits right in with Juneteenth. Black eyed peas came aboard when our ancestors came to the Americas and they had these seeds in their hair of black eyed peas as well as okra. Because when they traveled to Americas, they wanted to bring the seeds to cook the food, to prepare foods that they were used to and that was healthy to their culture. And I also added the sweet potato. The sweet potato is a native of Americas because it can grow anywhere in the worst soils. And so our ancestors were able to grow sweet potatoes.
Okay, so what
no matter what.
do we put
So-
some
so-
on top?
Yeah, so what you're gonna do
I'm gonna follow
is
your lead.
here's our black eyed peas and okra. And what we're gonna do is stuff our sweet potato with that.
We just stuff it.
And this is how you make a filling dish. And guess what? You don't need all of those extra fillings from cornbread to anything else. It's simple, it's oil-free, it's salt-free, it's sugar-free, and you get all of your sweetness from your sweet potato. And let me tell you something about the yams too the yams are a native of South Africa. And so, there you go. And here's our cilantro, and you just go ahead and top that. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Right? And now,
Gigi.
guess what? Take your forks and let's dig in.
I'm gonna let you guys try because I need to read this. Thank
Okay.
you so much for being
Thank
here.
you.
This is such a great event, you guys. Lots to celebrate tomorrow at the 14th annual Juneteenth Festival. It kicks off at noon in the 18th and Vine Historic Jazz District. This is a free event. But of course, there are VIP tickets available if you want to be a very important person. For a full lineup of and ticket details, you can visit JuneteenthKC.com.